Hello, welcome to Tech World. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new phone. Do you sell both new and used phones here?
Yes, we do. We have a variety of new and certified pre-owned phones. Are you looking for any specific brand or model?
I'm thinking about getting a Samsung or an iPhone. What are your current offers?
For new phones, we have a special discount, $100 off the latest iPhone if you sign up for a 2-year service plan. For used phones, we offer a 20% discount, and they come with a 6-month warranty.
That sounds good. I actually bought a phone at another store a few days ago, but it didn't work properly. The battery drained too fast, and the apps kept freezing. When I went back to return it, they wouldn't take it.
I'm so sorry to hear that. That must have been frustrating. Here at Tech World, we offer a full return or exchange within 30 days if the phone has any defects, whether it's the battery, screen, or software issues, as long as you bring the receipt.
That's reassuring. What if something happens after 30 days?
After 30 days, the warranty covers repairs for up to 1 year for new phones and 6 months for pre-owned ones. If it's something minor, like a battery replacement or software update, we can take care of it in our in-store repair center.
You have a repair center? That's convenient. Do you offer any other programs?
Yes, we have a phone protection program that includes accidental damage coverage. So, if you drop your phone and crack the screen, you can get it repaired or replaced for a small fee.
That's really useful. I've cracked my phone screen twice in the past year.
It happens to the best of us. We also offer a trade-in program where you can bring your old phone and get a discount on your new purchase.
That's great. I'll keep that in mind. I think I'm leaning toward a new Samsung. What's the best deal you have on that?
Our best offer is $150 off the Samsung Galaxy S22 if you trade in your old phone, plus free screen protection for the first year.
That sounds like a good deal. And it's nice to know there's a good return policy and a repair center if something goes wrong.
Absolutely. Our goal is to make sure you're happy with your purchase. Would you like to check out the phones and see how they feel?
Yes, please. I'd like to see the Samsung Galaxy S22.
Sure. Here it is. It has a great camera, long battery life, and a sleek design.
It looks fantastic. I think I'll go for it.
Great choice. Would you like to add the protection plan?
Yes, I'll take the protection plan too.
Perfect. I'll get everything set up for you.
Thanks, Anna. You've been really helpful.
You're welcome, John. Enjoy your new phone, and let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Have a great day.
You too.